Hey, I'm Sam with Aloovi. Today, I get to talk to you all about how to make money off Aloovi and raising money for your school at the same time. First, working through the Aloovi app is simple, and it's for anyone who can provide services professionally. Here are some tips for getting hired and earning top ratings on Aloovi. First, make sure you filled out your profile completely. People are much more likely to hire someone with a professional photo and a completely filled out bio. They want to know who it is that they're trusting with their task. Also, make sure you've signed up for all the services that you're qualified to do. If you specialize in walking dogs, make sure you put it down. If you're not sure if you're qualified to perform a task, make sure you can perform the task unsupervised and can provide your own tools to complete the task. Make sure your customer feels heard. This could just be taking the time to repeat back to the customer what they need. It could be checking in to ask questions or even following up after the service to make sure they're still satisfied. Just like any other online job, this is your profession. So make sure you can be proud of what you do. Next, make sure to dress appropriately and safely for the task that you've accepted. If materials are required to complete the job, make sure you've worked out the details with the customers before showing up on site to begin work. When you arrive, be ready to provide top-notch service and show them your best face. Also, don't forget to complete your PayPal account and attach it to your profile so we can get you paid. Once a job's complete, the customer will be able to send payment through PayPal on our app. You'll be able to rate each other, and then you can move on to the next task. This is the first time job hunting has become almost entirely self-directed. We can literally buy eggs from the neighbor again. If you have any questions about becoming a service provider on Aloovi, do not hesitate to reach out to us on our website or give us a call. We succeed when you succeed. Next, we have a huge update with Aloovi. We've opened the company up to over 500 categories and jobs for you to take on and to post. This not only means you can find the perfect work to do, but you can find your best skills and begin to make residual and even primary income through Aloovi. Just by doing what you do best. It means you can get just about any job done as well too. Our goal is to connect local providers with their economies and to fund education in the area they're thriving. We don't succeed unless everyone else does. Parents are signing up to post jobs to support their child's school through Aloovi. Now we're donating a percentage of all our revenue to schools of the customer's choice. Many PTAs and parents are switching over their regular scheduled services to Aloovi in order to provide a steady stream of donated income for their local school. We can raise way more money than we can with box tops just by using Aloovi as the app for everything. Alleviate your needs! Some of our new categories include auto care, senior care, child care, hundreds of home improvement categories, and even a home manager category for regular homemaker errands and tasks. Questions? Feel free to contact us. If you want Aloovi to come to your school, get in touch with your local PTA and have them give us a call. Thank you for choosing Aloovi, and I'll see you next week.